just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't go playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna ball till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night but did it all day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hard way, but got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you loving magic, not all shade. Still going bad on you anyway.
Whoa. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ricky 2 times. I'm back at it again with another video. Told you guys I'm trying to come to you with content, at least 2 to 3 videos a week. Weather's pretty decent. Can't really complain, but the weather's been real nasty to us lately out here in North Carolina, so really haven't had time to have any kind of outdoor videos, which is what my channel will mainly be about. Got my Crown Vic out here, and my other vehicles, along with my 2018 GSXR 1000R. Got my 2004 Crown Victoria, what I want to show you guys today. It's a custom Crown Vic. Got a lot of work done to it. I haven't done anything to it in years, but this year gonna be different. I plan on bringing you guys a bunch of content on it, so if I'm bringing you guys content, it can't be the same old boring car that you done seen at the beginning of the vids. So what I'm gonna do is, I got a lot of plans for this car. So you really just gotta stay tuned to my channel. Plan on being ready for the summertime. Been ready for the summertime for a long time since I've been driving it, but the paint job getting a little bit beat. Everything's getting a little bit old to me because it's been like this for a long time. The car's been this way for a long time. So it's about time for a change. New paint, new rims, new lift, new system, new interior work, the whole 9 yards. And as I came to you guys on my motorcycle vid, I plan on doing a lot of work to my bike also, which that's gonna be another vid to talk about. But everything's coming soon, at the beginning of this year. But let me stop talking, let me show you the car. It's my 2004 Crown Victoria. Has 28-inch rims on it. Don't let that sign fool you. I had 6s on it, I want to say about 5 years ago. I had the 28s on it for about 4. Let's see if we can find the size on it. Yep, here we go right here, 275, 25, ZR 28. I love the rims, but everything about the car is just getting a little old to me. Got a Mercury Marauder little tail on it. Dual exhaust. See the paint chipping, so everything needs to be redone. Has a sunroof. Functioning sunroof, functioning hood scoop. Everything up underneath the hood is cut out. Get a little bit of that heat away from the motor, and along with the air intake, you know, you want the coolest air possible for the vehicle. I'm not gonna show the interior on this video. It's kind of dirty. The car been outside for a while. We actually just moved over here where I'm at now, well, a couple months ago. So when it was at my last place, I accidentally left the sunroof open, and when the fall leaves came down, I mean, they really came down and they was all inside the car. So I got what I could out, but you know, it's still a little residue in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it out this weekend, and I'm gonna give you guys content of me driving the vehicle, kind of looks I get, whether it's good or bad. People talking to me about the car. Oh nah. I know y'all saying, well, what is this? Who car is this? Well, this is also a family vehicle. This is what my fiance drive, 2006 Acura TL. And don't sleep on this car now. This car is fast. For what it is fast. I like it. I enjoy it. But we came out here to really talk about the Vic. You know, I did have orange pinstripes. You see the orange popping through. I said this paint is just old. Need to redo the tint on the rear window. Need to redo a lot on the car. But the suspension was done pretty good. Everything under it is still pretty much factory. It just has lift cups. Can actually show you that now. You can see there's a lift cup up underneath that spring there. Factory spring. Just a lift cup up underneath it. Also, have Ford F-150 shocks on the rear. I don't know if you can see those. It's getting a little dark out here, but we'll go to the other side. The front has the same thing, a lift cup on the top. There's a lift cup at the top. The only thing I want to change out is this upper control arm here. I want to get an actual lift upper control arm so that this don't have as much strain on it. Other than that, the car rides pretty good. They have thin tires and big rims. It almost rides factory. I mean, I know that's kind of hard to believe, but it does. Got aftermarket headlights, got the angel eyes in the front. Got LED fog lights. This was an old State Trooper vehicle, 2004 State Trooper vehicle, so came with all the nicks and knacks that the State Troopers usually have in it. And this badge here, I did have a 5.0 Mustang motor in it. That was a while back. Put the 4.6 back in. The 4.6 has a lot more kick, a lot more initial torque. Not really more high end in that 5.0. I can really see a big difference. So the 4.6 is suiting this car very well. Beefed up the transmission. Transmission been lasting for a very long time. I actually do a lot of pulls in the car. Not racing, but you know, just pulls. But yeah, that's the 2004 Police Interceptor Crown Victoria. More content coming soon. Is the GSXR 1000, the Jixie 1000. Out and about, not in the garage where y'all seen me shoot the last video, but out and about. All of my vehicles need a bath. Like I said, it's been nasty outside lately. It's really not much you can do when you're not getting a good break in the weather to try to clean anything, but all of my vehicles will get bathed this weekend, and next time I come to you guys with a video, everything will be cleaner than what you see it is now. Beautiful bike. I have a lot of fun with it. Actually, I rode it yesterday. All day yesterday. We had pretty good weather yesterday. It was about 65 degrees. That's as good as it's gonna get for right now, since it's still in January. This is my little hoopty. This is my work car. 99 Buick LeSabre. Believe it or not, this car has only 85,000 miles on it. To be a 99, that is actually pretty good. Car drives well. It's what I go back and forth to work with no problems. Pretty good lift on her. She's still tucking. She's still tucking them. 28's pretty well. Not really a big fan of cars with a bunch of fender wall gap. My rims do poke out a lot. I have adapters on them. I kind of like that stance. The rims poking out, it gives it a pretty nice solid look, a muscle look, an aggressive front look, I think. But yeah, guys, if you want to see more content on these vehicles, please stay tuned to my channel, Ricky 2 Times. Hit that subscribe button, bell notification. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Coming to you with content 2 to 3 times a week. I'm gonna be working hard at it, guys. I still got a daily job to hold down, so YouTube family to be very productive as possible come 2019. All right.